Hello, I am Mrs. Peacock, your student's 8th grade English teacher, and I am welcoming you and your student to my classroom. This year we are using Canvas, which is new to both students and teachers, so we really all appreciate your patience as we learn this new technology and enter this new world of online teaching. So first of all, here's my Canvas page. This is what you've probably already seen. I've instructed students to first look at announcements, read everything on the homepage. I have links to how to log on to Zoom, so sign in to Zoom first so that they can enter our Zoom meetings without, in safety, without any distractions. I put up the first quarter so they know which AB days are, and there's also on the Eastview website the calendar for each week. I let students know this is a brave space. We're going to be courageous and collaborate and learn together. What's next? The second place they go from announcement is right into the modules. I told them to avoid assignments for right now because sometimes the assignment for the day is actually a quiz or a discussion. So I directed everyone to our module. There's also the syllabus here that is posted that you have probably seen. The modules are in order, sequence. We're right now building community. Each day is a new module. If they clicked on the first module, all they need to go do is to go to the next module. In the activities, I post a lot of links. I'm trying to explain to students that reading their emails, getting in touch with teachers, if you're not there, if you're having any problems, you must get in touch with them during the class period to be counted as present. Also, I can go into emails and answer questions right away. I've set up a couple of one-on-one meetings with students to give them help. So please make sure they're emailing me, and also that they are asking to meet with me during office hours, which are every day, as you know, between 3 and 3:30, Monday and Tuesday, and Thursday and Friday. I also create a lot of videos for my students so they know exactly what they need to do in each assignment. Well, this one was pretty simple, so they just had to write a reply here. On the next assignment, there's a link with directions. I bullet point the directions. I create a video. Everything is linked at the bottom. They click on it. I have videos of how to do that. What we're working on next after that will be the first unit, and all the units are in the module. All of the units will be displayed once those units become available. Each day you may have noticed that I put work on for both types of training delivery. And if one person is going to be, or one class is going to be doing something other than the other, it would be all outlined in here. So the district actually put into Canvas all of our rubrics that will be attached to each of the unit. All of this is available online at the district website. The first thing we're going to be looking at are worldwide challenges that we face. We are going to learn about bias and fallacies, and then we are going to do some investigative research and pick a topic that we think is the biggest issues or challenges that we face today in the world. And we're trying to stay focused on the world and not just US focus, so that students get a broader understanding of what's happening in the world. And then what are the challenges? The second unit, the next 9 weeks are going to be about challenges that heroes face. And they will be creating an infographic and a broadcast. We're going to move on to syntax, just sentence structure and poetry. And at the end, they will be creating a suspense narrative. So if you have any questions, please email me. Thank you for coming.